I usually forget that I want to record repairing these things when I get a hold of them. This is the wind-up Mighty Kong Junior, and right now, this is the most common thing I see is this a spring in the center of the coil. This end of it broke off, and then of course it won't. It's like a watch mainspring when it breaks; it just won't hold any energy. So in here, where we need to fix this, and this, I'm just going to take the old spring because it's not going to get used a lot, and I'm going to heat this end and put a new little little crimp on it. Put that on, and I'm going to run it back through this guy here. I hope I can show that, but it runs through right there. Where is that? Right there. Goes right between that shaft and that little plate above it, and that's where it hooks on. And then we'll feed it through. I'll see if I can get some video of that. But yeah, most of the stuff, other than that, it came in pieces, and there's not a whole lot else to it. Here's the rest of the parts laying over here that I'll get to later. Okay, just wanted to try to get this little quick operation. I hope it's quick. I went out and I put a torch on this end, and I bent a new loop on it. And now, I don't know how well anybody's going to be able to see this, but inside here, right in here, it needs to go right through that slot. I'm going to come through with this end first. The one's going to come in and hook on later. So I'm going to come through. I missed my slot. Sorry, I can't see what I'm videoing. All right, so right through there, if we can see that. And I'm going to bring this on through. Eventually, it's going to be hooked right in this little hole right here. Where am I? Right here. But first, I'm going to pull this spring all the way through. If this was a new spring, obviously I wouldn't have to do this in this way, but this is the way it is. So I'm going to pull it all the way through until my new little loop hooks on there. Should be about hooked on there now. You can't really see it. Yeah, I'm going to shut this off now. All right. Let it spring in. Got them all lubed up. That was important. You didn't want to go anywhere until you got some lubrication. Clean up all those contact points where moving parts come together. So there we go. The next step. So I just realized that the way his arms work, there needs to be a pin that goes through. It's terrible, I can't do this with one hand. The pin that goes through here, obviously, and then the arm here. So they're not here. So we're going to make some pins. Put his little noisemaker box on. It sits right there. And of course, this toothed wheel back here is what touches it and makes it make noise. Alright, so we're getting there. Got it back on. Alright, next step. The guy who took him apart did it a little strangely and left the fur on. So it made the arms really tough to put back on, but there it is. He's got a little poncho on. We gotta button him up, but that's pretty much him. Not bad. Alright, and there he goes. Looking pretty good.